Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at one of the simplest smart home ideas and one that genuinely delivers, the SwitchBot candle warmer. It's essentially a lamp that gently warms your candle that you supply, softly melting it to release the fragrances without an open flame. The smart part is that it has a built-in controller that slots into the SwitchBot ecosystem and links with the major home platforms via the app and optional hub. It might be the easiest device I've tested this year, yet it's becoming a household favorite, especially with my partner. Let's turn it on and see what this candle warmer can really do. In the box, you get the candle warmer itself, which is basically a light shade with a stylish modern frame that holds the light approximately 20 centimeters above a candle, and it's 30 centimeters tall. Then there's the SwitchBot Smart Controller that's 20 centimeters from the candle warmer along the cable. It's a plastic pebble-shaped device with 3 large buttons. One toggles the power, one increments the brightness, and one is the timer that cycles from 2, 4, and 6 hours. Then there's another 1.5 meters of cable to the socket. You also get 2 50-watt down lights. These are not the LED style that don't emit much heat, but instead the halogen lights that are actively promote the generation of heat. It's great the SwitchBot even include a spare for those emergency candle warming situations. And that's about it. Well, I did tell you it was one of the simplest devices I've reviewed this year. Now don't get too excited about this product. The Smart Candle Warmer is not some new and revolutionary product. As they say, you get what it says on the tin. Basically, it's a 50-watt halogen light that's enclosed in a stylish lamp that has a shade that restricts and directs the heat and light directly down towards the candle. The light and hence the heat can be controlled from 1 to 100% to vary the light and the fragrance accordingly. The unit can accommodate most typical candles, so up to 9.5 centimeters wide and up to 14 centimeters high. It's compatible with soy, oil wax through to the more traditional beeswax, of which the light heats the top surface of the candle, releasing the candle's aroma. The light is controlled via a smart controller that allows it to be connected to the SwitchBot ecosystem. The controller itself is 6 centimeters across, pebble-shaped, and has a power button, a brightness intensity button, and a timer select which allows the timer from 2, 4, or 6 hours. The controller is 20 centimeters along the cable. The controller is 20 centimeters along the cable and then has another 1.5 meters of cable to allow convenient placement. You can control the candle warmer directly within the SwitchBot application, and it's compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Samsung SmartThings, and Home Assistant, not to mention Matter. So although simple in design, it's actually very effective to give you that flameless, smokeless aroma and fragrances all at a touch of a button. The ideal present for your partner. I'll assume that you already have the SwitchBot application loaded and created an account, and that you have connected your candle warmer to the mains power. Open the SwitchBot application. Press the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Select Add Device. Your candle warmer will show up. Select it. Now press the power button for 2 seconds. The light will flash when it's in pairing mode. Now press Connect Device. The SwitchBot app will discover your device and connect. The application will ask you to select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and enter your password. Press Next. You can now enter your name and select a room for your device. Now press Start Using. Now you would have noticed that Amazon Alexa popped up as it was already integrated. The same will be true of Google Home if integrated. And you're done. You're ready to use. Now let's have a look at the features offered by the candle warmer in the SwitchBot application. The screen is split into 3 sections. The top is a pictorial of the candle warmer, showing you if the light is on or off. The middle section is where you can adjust the brightness from 1 to 100%, and the bottom section has 3 controls. In the center is the power toggle switch. To the left is the timer where you can set the time. To the left is a timer where you can set the timer on or off, and in the number of hours and minutes, with a maximum range of 23 hours and 50 minutes in 10-minute increments. You can also set a fade out time from between 5 seconds and 60 minutes. To the right of the power button, you can set a schedule for off and on actions. That can be a single event or a repeated event. Each action will have an associated fade rate, so you get a lot of flexibility that you can set from within the app and not have to revert to controlling through your ecosystem. So this is one of the simplest devices I've reviewed this year, and yet it's one of the most functional, works exactly as stated, and works very well. In fact, I would say that if you want to get this for your partner for Christmas and they are not into the whole smart home gadgets, then buy a nice candle and this device and it's the ideal present. Links with discount codes in the description below. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then hit that like button, comment and share. And if you want to have access to similar material, then subscribe or maybe become a channel member and get early access to material plus other perks. And if you want to join other like-minded people, then why not join the Discord channel where smart home enthusiasts meet to solve each other's issues. And if I helped you with the purchasing decision, then maybe a super thanks or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Until the next one.